What is going on, guys? Welcome back up to the homestead up here in Utah. It is hot today. I got some shorts on and some black socks. Styling today. So in our last video you saw that we got our washer and dryer up and running. It's working great. My wife's done a couple loads of laundry right now, and I'm just super surprised at the amount of electricity that it uses. Like hardly anything. So that is awesome. I think so. Today we are gonna work on the little shed in there. It's already like 4 o'clock in the afternoon. We got a late start today. Went into town and got some more OSB. So we're gonna OSB the whole thing. Hopefully, we got a lot to do because tomorrow we are heading into Vegas for the weekend, the Labor Day weekend. We're gonna get the Can-Am up and going. Hopefully, there's a few things we're waiting on. Hopefully we can get them all knocked out. Regardless, the Can-Am is coming home with us when we come home on Sunday. So we gotta get a trailer ready to go. We got tons of stuff to do. So I'm gonna try to knock the sheathing out on this trailer. Oh my God. I'm gonna try to knock the sheathing out on this shed and then get everything else done that I need to do before we leave tomorrow. So let's go. All right, so I'm just getting some tools before we head over to the garden. I'm just gonna drive my truck over there because it has the OSB in there, and I got a whole another box of nails. I threw some stuff in there. I saw impact. Anyway, I usually use the tractor, but check this out, guys. I think we have a problem. Look at that hydraulic line. Like, that shaft is supposed to be straight and in the center, and look at it, it's like bent. Both of them are like bent the same, and they're just leaking. Look at all the oil. It's just like dripping everywhere. It's a puddle down there. Don't know what's going on. I think I'm gonna call the Branson dealer and try to get this thing in for service. It's supposed to already be in service like 20 hours ago. We're slacking. We do that when we're back in Vegas. So I'm gonna jump in the truck, drive around over to the garden. That's right, buddy, the garden. He knows what's up. It's hot today. Anyway, and then I'm gonna start to work on this shed.
Good afternoon. We went into town this morning and we got some OSB, some more sheeting to put up on the walls for our little garden shed. Today is Casual Friday, even though I think it's like Wednesday or Thursday. Pretty sure it's Wednesday. But in hubby's world today, it's Casual Friday. We've got sexy gym shorts with thigh-high socks and some Holy Vans.
Oh man, it's hot.
It is hot out today, so
These are steel toe.
totally.
Both, by the way, if you guys were wondering, if you're commenting, if you're already thinking about it, they're steel toe, I promise.
Yep, just go ahead and laugh about that with us. We're working hard, we're working fast, and we're gonna see if we can get this shed pretty much sheathed up before we leave on a trip tomorrow. What do you think, Hubs?
We're gonna put a good effort in.
We're gonna put it. Yes. Okay, let's do it, babe. A lot of you have said, hey, just let your chickens roam. And we are doing that. We're letting them roam throughout the garden area. I know we don't have grass yet. It is on the list of things to do. We are just getting going. We're just getting started. So just give us a little bit longer. We need to get the water set up. We got to get a lot of stuff set up before we can put the grass in. And then they can wander all they want in the grass. But until then, they are out. They are roaming whenever we're in the garden area, and we open up the fence for them and just let them play.
Comes out right here. Right in my finger. views from up here. All right, I'm on top of the shed.
I'm super jealous.
And I'm afraid of heights. I'm not that high though. I don't feel like it's super high, but it's pretty cool up here. You can see everything. I feel like I'm on top of the world. We already kind of are on top of the world, being 8,500 elevation. It's a different perspective. Anyway, what do you think? Am I top? Am I high? I'm taller than you right now. I usually am anyway, but.
I feel like you could like put your hand out and I could stand on it.
Oh. Yeah. Gotcha. Tickle. Anyway.
Dusty and dirty and stinky, but you're so hot.
Oh my gosh.
With your gym shorts on and your dicky socks.
We're sheathed. We're done.
Yes.
Oh my gosh,
It was time to clean up. We still got a bunch to do before we take off to Vegas tomorrow. And we got a mess to clean up. What's up?
I just want to go for a
You wanna go for a ride?
Yeah, and you come.
Maybe, dude. We'll see. You gonna help me clean up so we can go for a ride?
Yeah.
All
I
right,
think we're gonna clean up and then maybe go for a ride, it sounds like. I don't know.
let's do it.
But
I'm in. I'll pack bags while you.
no, you're gonna
Go
help me.
ride.
You're gonna help me clean.
Well, I'm gonna do that too, for
Okay.
sure. That's all I do around here.
But so we're probably gonna stop recording for the night and just clean this up and get everything ready for tomorrow. So we'll see you guys in the morning. So in preparation for us leaving for a few days out to Vegas, we have to, like, we have 5-gallon water tanks for our meat birds, and we have a 3-gallon one for our hens. So we got to fill that completely up, fill their food completely full. We'll probably top everything off in the morning as well. Yeah, we're gonna knock that out because we have to leave early in the morning.
I hope you guys enjoyed the building of our garden shed. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see y'all in a few days.